Thank you very much for asking from me. Greetings from Austria. I'm very happy to be with all of you. Austria is, as you know, a very rather small country in Europe, and we have a great theatrical tradition. Theater is being played through the hundreds of years, and still in each place, even in Austria, you can find theater. And especially this year was not very easy for our country because of the whole year we have 8 months of not playing with audience. Only in summertime, the Salzburg Festival, which had its 100th birthday, tried to have a reduced program, and everybody was very happy that theater was living again for us. But we hope that the next time will be better for our theater and for the performing arts in the whole. And the contact between the artists still, of course, is very intense. And we are happy to have you together with us. And I would only like to reflect 2 of the very interesting keynotes of yesterday. One from the American lady, Nicola Salter, who told us about the storytelling. Theater is storytelling. Each of us is storytelling. Everyone is telling his story, her story, another story, or the story of the time. And everyone is allowed to tell this story. And that's, of course, the importance of theater, to tell the stories to the public. And this is the opportunity now to gain this way of telling again. And in this telling, I would like to name a second person, Mr. Pu from China, who said how important it is to have the right words, also right in spelling, because people love performances, but they also love to understand what there is performed by the right words and with the music of the languages. Each language, as he told us, has its music, and we listen to the music of spelling and of speaking of the people, the performance we love to see, and we will be happy to see them again in all the world and in Austria. And my best greetings to all of you, and health and love for theater for all of you. Thank you. Thank you.